Realme X2 64 megapixel performance expert. Realme smartphone.
This is photographer Taransh Kevan, and today I got to shoot Exhibit Magazine's Exhibit Tech Awards feature using the Realme X2 Pro camera. And I must say, I don't think you're going to be able to tell the difference between the shots that I took on my normal camera versus the shots that I took on the Realme. I'm quite impressed.
They said, to survive, I must go with the flow.
Really? But I'm not born to survive. I'm born to be alive. I don't care about your rules or your expectations. What I care about is being real. Be Red Brick. Realme X2 Pro Master Edition. Realme smartphone.
They said, I'm too boring, too stiff.
Enough of what they said. Being young is all about inventing, experimenting. Be fearless, be concrete. Realme X2 Pro Master Edition. Realme smartphone. Dare to
Prepare coffee in 30 minutes.
7 o'clock.
Turn on the TV.
Show me the map.
Realme X2 64 megapixel performance expert. Realme smartphone.
This is photographer Taransh Kevan, and today I got to shoot Exhibit Magazine's Exhibit Tech Awards feature using the Realme X2 Pro camera. And I must say, I don't think you're going to be able to tell the difference between the shots that I took on my normal camera versus the shots that I took on the Realme. I'm quite impressed.
They said, to survive, I must go with the flow.
Really? But I'm not born to survive. I'm born to be alive. I don't care about your rules or your expectations. What I care about is being real. Be Red Brick. Realme X2 Pro Master Edition. Realme smartphone.
They said, I'm too boring. Too stiff.
Enough of what they said. Being young is all about inventing, experimenting. Be fearless. Be concrete. Realme X2 Pro Master Edition. Realme smartphone. Dare.
Prepare coffee in 30 minutes.
7 o'clock.
Turn on the TV.
Show me the map.
Realme X2 64 megapixel performance expert. Realme smartphone.
This is photographer Taransh Kayvan, and today I got to shoot Exhibit Magazine's Exhibit Tech Awards feature using the Realme X2 Pro camera. And I must say, I don't think you're going to be able to tell the difference between the shots that I took on my normal camera versus the shots that I took on the Realme. I'm quite impressed.
They said, to survive, I must go with the flow.
Really? But I'm not born to survive. I'm born to be alive. I don't care about your rules or your expectations. What I care about is being real. Be Red Brick. Realme X2 Pro Master Edition. Realme smartphone.
They said, I'm too boring. Too stiff.
Enough of what they said. Being young is all about inventing, experimenting. Concrete. Realme X2 Pro Master Edition. Realme smartphone.
Prepare coffee in 30 minutes.
7 o'clock.
Turn on the TV.
Show me the map.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Vice President of Realme and CEO of Realme India, Mr. Madhav Sheth.
Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. I'm very excited like you guys, and I'm very excited to meet all my media friends and fans for our first 5G launch event in 2020 of Realme X50 Pro. First of all, a very warm welcome, namaskar and bienvenido to everyone. The reason for speaking Spanish today is we are launching our first 5G flagship in Europe and India exactly at the same time. A lot of people may be asking us why. I would like to take back them to some history, because Realme has always put India market as our top priority and will always try to bring the latest technology in India, from India to the world. Realme will also bring the first ever 5G flagship to more markets, including Europe, China, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Saudi, and many more. For the smartphone industry that we are in today, 2020 is going to be the big milestone. As some of you may know today that you have been at Realme's debut at MWC. A week back, we were getting ready for Barcelona for the world's largest telecom event. But unfortunately, as MWC got cancelled, we did nothing else but quickly adjusted our plans and decided to hold this event back here in India. This is all because we wanted to make sure our fans and media friends could get hands on our latest technology at the earliest. Speaking about the latest technology, it's only Feb, and we have witnessed many brands taking its big leap in cameras, screens, batteries, and most importantly, 5G. For Realme, a brand that is always there to leap, it's a mission for us to provide you with products beyond your expectation. And what can be better than India's first 5G flagship? For Realme, 5G is not only our first step, but also a giant leap, as we are all set to make the popularizer of 5G in India and around the world. Our ultimate target is to bring the valuable 5G smartphones across all price segments, and with such efforts to help not only India, but also different countries to upgrade to the 5G era at a much faster pace. Becoming the popularizer of 5G also requires a great support from our partners. As a leading company in 5G, Qualcomm has cooperated with us from the very beginning. Thanks for your cooperation. Today, Realme is really honored to be one of the first OEM to launch Snapdragon 865 5G mobile platform in India and bring the most advanced, powerful 5G experience to all our fans in India. As 5G upgrade is set to speed up around the world, Realme has never stopped building our smartphone ecosystems from the current 4G era. In 2020, Realme will also become a tech lifestyle brand. And what does it mean for my fans? It really means that we'll be providing not only smartphones, but more high-quality ecosystem products, giving young generations a smarter and a stylish lifestyle experiences. While vigorously developing new smartphones, AIoT is also our key development direction in the future and the second engine for the Realme's business growth, calling it as Unismart AIoT, integrating hardware and the software, providing a comprehensive ecosystem for better user experience. But when we have a hardware and when we have an IoTs, how do we connect it? Before we dig into more details, you will be more excited after watching this video and get a glimpse of Realme's vision of AIoT in 2020.
Prepare coffee in 30 minutes.
7 o'clock.
Turn on the TV.
Show me the map.
How many products did you count? All right. So let me explain this concept in details. The smartphone, of course, will be a core hardware of the entire AIoT ecosystem. Also, we are launching a brand application that is called Realme Link that will help your smartphone to connect to the various Realme ecosystem products, especially making it a bridge. Especially the four important terminals entrances, which we believe is smart screens, smart speakers, smart watches, and smart audios. These are the four major terminal entrances which will help you to connect and experience more ecosystem IoT products. Your everyday life will surely become smarter and stylish. Realme Link will become the central software platform for connecting smartphones and AIoT products. Today, I am happy to reveal our Realme Link app for the first time for all our media friends and fans. As you can see, this app icon is chosen and voted out from the Realme community itself. One of you guys have chosen it out. The icon looks like two combined letters of L for the link, and the circle in the center represents our complete AIoT ecosystem. Here are how our Realme Link looks like. Yes, the design of Realme Link also follows the spirit of real design with a visual pleasing experience. Realme Link is not only simple to use, but will also become the control center for all the Realme AIoT products. So let's deep dive a little bit more. You guys want to know more about it? All right. So let's deep dive a little bit more in terms of AIoT product categories. Realme will focus on your personal, your family, your travel. I'm very glad today to share some of your more detailed product plans with you today for the first time. For personal products, we will launch a variety of wearable and audio devices. We are already launched a very popular Realme Buds Air, and will also be a part of the Realme Link, wherein certain functions can be customized as per your user needs. But what's next? Well, it's already on my wrist. Except for the TWS earphones and bands, smartwatches and noise cancellation earphones, anti-noise cancellation, all also around the corner. Secondly, we'll also try to make your home smarter, easier, and more chic, including two important categories, which would be smart screens and speakers. In your living room, they are both important control hubs. At the same time, more smart home gadgets are under development. Yes, today for the first time, we are customizing for India. That on the stage, I'm very excited to announce that we are getting ready to launch our first smart TVs, and we'll be launching Realme Smart TVs first time in India. At the same time, we are working on more customized features for our fans here. But this will be launched, yes, it will be Q2, and Realme will be giving you the biggest surprises as always. Last but not the least is going to be the travel. Travel will involve a lot of scenarios. And for a lot of travel gadgets, we'll bring the best of the products that meets our ideology of power and style. We have just stepped into an AIoT field, and we aim to become the fastest growing IoT brand this year. Now let's get into our main hero of the day, which is Realme X50 Pro 5G. To give you more details, please join me to welcome Nidhi, and she will explain you why this device is another ultimate flagship made by Realme. Over to you, Nidhi.
Hello everyone, I'm Nidhi Bhatia, Product Manager, Realme India. We thank you for being here with us today on this momentous occasion as we bring the very first flagship 5G smartphone, the Realme X50 Pro. Let's not waste any time and play a video. That's the Realme X50 Pro, the brand new 5G flagship of Realme. With Realme X50 Pro, we hope it can bring the most trendy and fun 5G experience to all our users. But before we talk about the internal details, let's have a look at the design. First, I want to show you some pictures. What do these pictures have in common in terms of color? Low saturation colors. You may notice that in recent years, low saturation colors have become very popular and are greatly loved in the fashion industry. They have been used in various fields and can highlight the high-end texture of products very well. On the X50 Pro, we have chosen two such low saturation colors, and we have named them Moss Green and Rust Red. These two colors are so new and refreshing for smartphones that even after years, they won't look outdated at all. But color is just the first step. This time, the surface of glass is processed by the industry-leading AG technology, bringing a refined matte texture, which makes these low saturation colors even more subtle to look at. We have tried dozens of extremely precise processes on the AG glass surface. Let me give you one example. The roughness of the matte texture is controlled by a 0.15 micron level that makes this surface matte and provides a delicate and a soft hand feel. Finally, after more than 6 processes of coating and 21 days of polishing, the light reflection effect was further reduced and these subtle and high-end colors were created. Do have a look at these in the experience zone. The phone looks amazing in your hands, and I'm sure you will love it. Since it is a 5G flagship, our top focus must be 5G network performance. Fast speed is the first thing that comes to mind when we speak of 5G. But fast network speed is only one aspect. In addition to the fast speed, the signal of 5G flagship must also be stable and compatible enough in different network environments. Also, the SoC is the basic core of 5G experience. So the Realme X50 Pro comes with Qualcomm's latest and most powerful mobile platform, the Snapdragon 865. Today is also Snapdragon 865's debut in India, and we are ready to bring the most powerful mobile experience for you. We also had some fun while testing benchmarks, like what other competitors or other companies usually do. And the Realme X50 Pro is the first ever smartphone that reached an Antutu score of over 6 lakhs. Literally the most powerful smartphone till now. Isn't that impressive? But as Realme has always emphasized, benchmark scores won't showcase the real performances. You need to get a hands-on on your device and wait for the media reviews to find out how good the device really is. There are many exciting features on the Snapdragon 865 as well. The CPU has a 25% overall performance and efficiency improvement over the previous 855 Plus. The Adreno 650 GPU has also made an improvement with graphic rendering speed increasing by 25%, while the energy efficiency is also increased by 30%. With all the performance upgrade, the Snapdragon 865 is made for extreme gaming experience. As for network connectivity, the second-gen X55 modem delivers ultra-fast connections and excellent battery life. Let me show you how good the network connection is on the Realme X50 Pro. The X50 Pro is now poised to lead the 5G era with the fastest network speed and performance. 5G promises peak data rates of up to 3.45 Gbps, which is 10 times higher than 4G. With super fast speed at your fingertips, it will take less than 10 seconds to download a full HD movie. Users can even live stream at 4K ultra-clear resolutions without any lags. Now imagine with the 5G smartphone in your hand, what all can you do in just 10 seconds. Let me show you a comparison of 4G and 5G. On the left, this is the 5G showing the downloading happening on a 5G device, whereas this is on a 4G device. This is also quite fast, but it doesn't give you such an insane experience. Well, this is a 4K video streaming test. And again, on the left, with the 5G phone, it's like you're watching a pre-downloaded film. On the right side, with a 4G device, the phone is hanging a little while streaming a 4K video. On the basis of Snapdragon 865, we have optimized plenty of power-packed features to ensure a super smooth network performance. The X50 Pro features an advanced antenna layout design called 360-degree surround antenna. Normally, a 4G smartphone needs only 4 antennas, one for Wi-Fi and GPS, while 2 for 4G. On the X50 Pro, India's first 5G smartphone, we have designed 13 antennas. 3 for GPS, 1 for Wi-Fi, 1 for NFC, and 8 for 4G and 5G. As a result, the X50 Pro can provide you a 360-degree signal reception, and the antenna with the strongest signal will keep the network stable, no matter how you hold the phone. And at the same time, the Realme X50 Pro covers all the mainstream 5G bands, including N1, N41, N78, and N79. So it is future-ready and ready for any major upgrades that actually come in the future. Due to faster data transmission, battery life should also not be sacrificed. That's why the Realme X50 Pro enhances the battery life with a new feature that has never been seen on a smartphone, the Smart 5G. It can perceive the surrounding signal environment and switch between 4G and 5G automatically. With intelligent adjustment of bandwidth and battery, the Smart 5G feature will effectively improve battery life and reduce power consumption by a remarkable 30%. Apart from superfast 5G network, Wi-Fi is also a very important aspect for most users, right? So for many customers, the frequency of using Wi-Fi is much more than 5G. So for a 5G flagship, Wi-Fi cannot be slower than that of the 5G. Thus, Wi-Fi 6 is absolutely necessary to ensure the fastest network speed anytime you want. As per the latest Wi-Fi protocol, the transmission of Wi-Fi 6 can reach up to 1.5 Gbps, equivalent to a download speed of 1.2 GBs per second, which is 40% faster than the previous Wi-Fi generation. The latency has also reduced to 20 milliseconds from 30 milliseconds of the previous generation. Power consumption would also be lower. Besides, the X50 Pro also supports dual-channel network acceleration and dual Wi-Fi network acceleration for faster and more stable network while reducing latency. The fastest SoC deserves the fastest storage. So in terms of RAM, the X50 Pro is equipped with the latest LPDDR5 storage. LPDDR5 will have a huge impact on the performance and functionality of the next generation of portable electronic devices. Theoretically, the LPDDR5 is 2 times faster than the first version of LPDDR4 and nearly 50% faster than the high-frequency version of LPDDR4. We also compared LPDDR5 with LPDDR4X in the same Snapdragon 865. And it shows that the LPDDR5 is 29% faster and 14% lower in power consumption. As for ROM, dual-channel UFS 3.0 is a must-have. The speed of reading and storing of UFS 3.0 is 110% faster than that of UFS 2.1. Which can significantly shorten the time and provide super smooth experience while copying Blu-ray movies or loading heavy games. According to the test data from our labs, software startup speed is increased by 40% and system fluency is increased by 30%, thanks to the dual-channel UFS 3.0. You may ask, why not use UFS 3.1, as there are many other brands teasing about it? Well, now it's time for some facts and not gimmicks. In fact, the UFS 3.1 you might have seen somewhere else is actually the standard name of a combination of JIDIX UFS 3.0 plus Turbo Booster. However, for Realme X50 Pro, we are using Samsung's UFS 3.0 plus Turbo Wide technology. Additionally, we also have HPB technology, which can maintain stable reading and writing performance of the RAM. Well, the tech part might seem a bit complicated, but all you need to remember is that Realme X50 Pro's UFS 3.0 is even faster than others' UFS 3.1 and the commonly used UFS 3.0. The Realme X50 Pro also offers a top-grade version of a 12 GB LPDDR5 and a 256 GB UFS 3.0 that enables users to switch programs in the background as they please. With ultra-large capacity, you can save all those photos without having the need of ever deleting them. The X50 Pro uses the latest and most powerful components. But these components generate more heat when they're operating at peak capacity. In order to make it run longer with full power, we have specially prepared a luxurious cooling device, the VC cooling system, which includes a vapor cooling chamber and a multi-layer solid graphite layer. The area of the vapor cooling is much larger than the traditional heat pipe cooling area, and with 100% full coverage of the core heating source, significantly lowering the temperature and letting the phone be in a state of high performance. Another important factor that defines performance is charging. So we're excited to introduce the 65-watt Super Dart to everyone. Thanks to the 65-watt Super Dart, the X50 Pro is one of the fastest charging smartphones right now that takes merely 35 minutes to fully charge the phone with a bigger battery. With just 3 minutes of charging, you can get a calling time of 4 hours, watch a movie for over 100 minutes, listen to 40 songs. Isn't that amazing? But you might be wondering, how does the X50 Pro charge so fast? First, the X50 Pro features a 4200 mAh massive dual-cell battery. It has a higher charging efficiency with 6.5 ampere charging current compared to the ordinary single-cell battery. Dual-cell battery is also much safer while discharging. Secondly, the SuperDart uses a new algorithm. The overall charging power distribution is more balanced and stable, and the speed of trickle charging is further improved with the newest VCVT, Intelligent Tuning Algorithm, and the VFC Trickle Charging Optimization Algorithm. At the same time, safety has always been very important for Realme. Equipped with the 5-dimension protection, the brand new 65-watt SuperDart allows you to charge fast and safely. Moreover, the 65-watt SuperDart is also compatible with PD and QC fast charging solutions. So if you are using a standard fast charger, you can easily enjoy a maximum power of 18 watts. Now let's move on to the next key feature, the X50 Pro's display. The Realme X50 Pro will feature a Super AMOLED display with the latest dual punch-hole selfie cameras. And of course, the super smooth 90 Hz refresh rate display gives you the smoothest but also the most well-balanced and power consumption experience. In terms of touch sampling rate, the sampling rate is as high as 180 Hz, so that the fine operations between your fingers can be accurately captured. Combined with the high performance of X50 Pro, playing games with this 90 Hz fluid screen will be smooth and will give you an immersive experience. This Samsung 6.44-inch Super AMOLED screen comes with FHD Plus resolution, thin frames, 408 pixels per inch, 20:9 aspect ratio, and supports hardware-level DC dimming. With a super thin bottom frame and a dual punch-hole camera layout, the screen-to-body ratio is as high as 92%. More importantly, this panel features a new E3 luminescent material with a peak brightness up to 1000 nits and a 5% reduction in power consumption, making it both bright and power-saving at the same time. This high-quality screen supports 105% NTSC and 100% DCI P3 color gamut display, which is more colorful and accurate. It has two inbuilt color patterns, vivid and soft, to match everyone's visual preferences. When it comes to color, it achieves Blu-ray eye protection effect on the hardware level, reducing the Blu-ray by 37.5% compared to the OLED screen of E2 material. We've also obtained coveted HDR10+ official certification. Thanks to our wider dynamic range, support for multi-scene dynamic tone mapping, more accurate colors, layered brightness, and lifelike details. The X50 Pro also flaunts the latest Goodix in-display fingerprint. It is equipped with a high-definition screen projection and a powerful core, making it performance-driven, fast, and safe. And more importantly, it gives the X50 Pro the fastest in-display fingerprint unlock speed. With the Realme X50 Pro, you will be able to enjoy a combined experience of 6 fun and practical cameras all in one place. First, let's focus on the two front cameras. In order to make the dual camera look even more better, we have used CCD alignment technology in assembly. It is a technique that will require extreme precision, so we drilled a compact hole that is merely 4.41 mm wide. This is also a perfect shape and position to prevent lens from getting damaged even when the phone falls. Simultaneously, we have reduced the apertures, which makes the smallest dual punch hole, featuring 2 real wide-angle cameras. The dual camera setup features a 32-megapixel 80-degree wide-angle main camera with Sony IMX616 sensor and an 8-megapixel 105-degree super wide-angle camera. The shooting range is now 2.5 times more than before. With state-of-the-art technology, the dual-front cameras are both a perfect choice to take high-quality photos and even videos. Portrait distortion correction algorithm adopted in the X50 Pro solves the problem of inevitable edge distortion of the super wide-angle lens. They also support HDR, portrait mode, super nightscape selfie to provide you a super fun and entertaining selfie experience for everyone. For video, the combination of these two front cameras is going to be the most powerful selfie video camera setup that is currently available. It supports ultra-wide-angle video shooting, like you can see in the video here, real-time selfie bokeh effect to give you an even better video shooting experience, and UIS video stabilization, as you can see here. As an innovative and exciting technology brand, the Realme X50 Pro also offers a fun, cool bonus for all our fans. Slow motion video recording at 120 FPS from the front camera. As short videos are trending, we hope this device will give you the best vlogging experience. Next part, the rear cameras. Realme 64-megapixel Hawkeye quad camera has been highly acclaimed since Realme XT. So this time, we have brought an even stronger 64-megapixel quad camera setup on the X50 Pro. Let's take a look at the configuration of this Super Eagle 4 cameras. The main camera is still the very much tuned 64-megapixel GW1. But the ultra-wide-angle camera is now replaced with a new 119 degrees camera featuring wider field and integrated 3 centimeter macro shooting function. We have also added a 2x telephoto camera of 12 megapixel and finally a black and white artistic portrait lens. The combination of these 4 cameras paved the way for full focal length coverage and a variety of functions, including portraits. Let's take a look at a sample picture taken from the 64-megapixel main camera. After looking at this, and you will know that you won't need any professional camera for clicking such sceneries, especially when you're traveling. From 0.6x to 2x to 5x to 20x, the main camera, the telephoto lens, and the wide-angle lens use different focal lengths, so that even if you're shooting the same scene, you have completely different views. This will give you more flexibility to create your own masterpieces. We also have the SAT Smooth Zoom technology for seamless switching while you're zooming in and out of a photo or video. Usually, it doesn't feel smooth on most Android phones. And now, with our SAT Smooth Zoom technology, it can simulate the zoom experience of a real traditional optical lens. Also, the zoom transition of the camera is much smoother, while the exposure and the color temperature of the 2 adjacent lenses are consistent after switching, so you won't even feel the switching. Also, we are continuously upgrading some of the commonly used camera functions. This time, we are bringing in a new Super Nightscape 3.0. With the algorithm 3.0, the Realme X50 Pro supports Ultra Nightscape mode. Simply put, in extreme dark conditions as well, the pictures will be clearer and brighter. Let's see a sample picture. With the Ultra Nightscape, you can shoot objects clearly, even in completely dark environments. Just check how amazing the magic is when we tried this feature out in the wild. We are not only optimizing the effect of ordinary handheld night shooting, but also bringing in a new tripod mode. We can get up to 50 seconds of super long exposure and take more professional night scene photos. With the help of this photography tripod, as you can see in this picture, in the pictures here. This is also another picture taken by the tripod mode. And just check how well exposed the sky is, while the flow of light can be clearly captured. This is a feature that will bring more creativity to your shooting experience. We also have added tons of video features for your vlogging experience, because we know that with a faster network in the future, video blogging will become the user's need. With Realme X50 Pro rear camera, you can shoot ultra-wide-angle videos, real-time bokeh videos, ultra-steady mode, and even the new ultra-steady max mode. This should be the most complete video experience for vlogging in the market right now. At the same time, we've also upgraded the expert mode, which now not only supports up to 9 kinds of specific adjustments, but also can directly give you raw photos, giving you larger space for post-production. In addition, the X50 Pro quad camera system is fully loaded with cool features like AI beautification, HDR, portrait, and panoramic photo. We believe that the perfect pictures are produced by the combination of hardware as well as software. Thus, through the continuous optimization of software and algorithm innovation, the camera experience on the X50 Pro will be better than ever, making it the camera trendsetter. Moving on, we have some minor but very important features to explain. The Realme X50 Pro is also equipped with a tactile engine linear motor, which is excellent in both vibration and tactility. Each vibration is as enjoyable as possible on the X50 Pro. The phone also features 1216 superlinear motor and 1216 superlinear speakers, which supports Dolby Atmos and Hi-Res certification to give you the best audio experience. Realme X50 Pro also supports NFC with Google Pay for easier payments. Last but not the least, X50 Pro supports a dual-channel GPS in L1 plus L5 bands, which could provide much more accurate location service and navigation. Now, as you all know, every superstar has something special that sets it apart from the rest. So, well, in this case, it is the brand new Realme UI coming out of the box, our recently launched UI based on Android 10 and ColorOS 7. It is well built for an enhanced and closer to stock Android experience. Light, fast, and efficient. Everything in one package. These awesome cool features that you might have ignored, like the dual mode music share function, which will be extremely useful in our future Realme AIoT ecosystem. You can connect a pair of wireless earbuds and a wired earphone simultaneously in this. Along with the Realme Link app, Realme UI is a software foundation of Realme's AIoT ecosystem. Over the course of the following months, Realme UI will be updated rapidly with exciting and attractive new features and surprises for all of you. But now, before we move on to the next section, let's have a recap of the Realme X50 Pro 5G.
Realme X50 Pro, speed of the future. Realme smartphone, dared to leap.
Well, that's all about the Realme X50 Pro, an ultimate flagship made by Realme that will set a new benchmark. It is an irresistible combination of top-notch hardware and software experience that can easily outshine many others in the market in the upcoming years and bring you the real speed of the future. Well, now let me call on stage Mr. Rajan Vagadia, VP and President, Qualcomm India, to say a few words.
Good afternoon and good morning. This is the first time I'm wishing two different places. This goes to show the power of India and brands like Realme. Somewhere, I think it was October in the India Mobile Congress, Madhav and I were having a discussion. We had quite a few 5G devices which we had brought in from outside the country, and we were demoing it. And both of us actually said that we should have the 5G devices in India. And Madhav said, I'm going to do it, and let's work together. And here I am today, proud to say that on this day, we have got that device in India. And one very pertinent thing, I think I've seen some social media going on about the 5G networks in India. If you see, as per a Counterpoint data, a research report, India had around 50 million 3G phones before the 3G network was launched in 2010. India had about 35 million 4G phones before a meaningful 4G network was launched in 2016. I think this time, this is going to be the 5G phone comes to India, and I think the networks would soon follow. There's a lot of different trend that we are seeing in 5G globally. We are seeing that 5G is going to come a lot faster than even 4G. And this today is a sign of that. And even if, let's say, we are talking about connectivity and network, the Snapdragon 865 brings a lot of things, not just connectivity. All the experiences, and it almost actually, I've almost forgotten my speech, because if you go through the last half an hour, it's actually, you can get dizzy. It's so much, so much. And Snapdragon can deliver, whether it's performance, whether it is gaming, whether it's camera. What you see, these are those uber performances you will see on this device. And this is indeed a great pleasure. I would like to say that when Madhav promised that at IMC that he's going to get the 5G device, I think he and Realme both stood to their promise. So congratulations to Realme. This is a great day for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Rajan. I would like to invite Mr. Ajay Veer Yadav, Senior Vice President Flipkart, Mr. Madhav and Ms. Nidhi to join Mr. Rajan on the stage for the photo op. Media friends could now approach towards the stage area for the photo op. Thank you. I would request Mr. Ajay, Mr. Rajan and Ms. Nidhi to please be seated. Madhav, back to you.
Thanks. Thank you. So thanks, Rajan. Thanks, Nidhi. And special thanks to Ajay, because like what Rajan said, we had a dream for 5G devices, but it wouldn't have possible without Ajay from Flipkart, basically, who said that basically we have to bring the devices first, whether the services are there or not there. The reason is mainly because it's like a TV. You have a 4K TV, you have a HD TV ready before the content is there. Yes, we completely believe, and thanks Ajay once again for doing that. Thanks Rajan once again for the lovely words. Right, so Realme X50 Pro 5G, powered by India's first Snapdragon 865 mobile platform, is surely one of the most powerful smartphones ever in the market right now. Do you agree, guys? But since we have announced the Realme X50 Pro plans in the market, I have seen a lot of queries on my social media, which I was also watching right now. Many people have the same doubt. Why do we launch a 5G device when 4G experience is still not good enough in India? Do you have this type of doubt? All right, so before we move on, I would like to turn back the clock several years back. While the whole industry was moving towards the 4G LTE, people were also debating whether the 4G was necessary. Like this too from the various famous publications, where they said that 4G is a confusing myth or 4G won't solve the 3G problems. Now we all know what happened, and we all know what is happening right now. Don't get me wrong, I'm not questioning these opinions. But in fact, these are very valuable discussions that the industry is needed. So all the major players could set the right trends towards the future, like what even Rajan said. And this is the mission for Realme X50 Pro 5G, the trendsetter for the future. Technology is evolving at a speed no one could easily predict. As a tech brand, let's be future ready. With the 5G knocking on the doors, the connected ecosystem in India is also developing at a much faster rate and is leading to the major adaptations of the devices based on Internet of Things and artificial intelligence. That's why today we also revealed our complete IoT ecosystems and the roadmap and our vision for IoT ecosystem. As a Dare to Lead brand, we are all set for the futuristic technology because we will never know how fast the technologies can reshape your everyday life. But on the road towards 5G, we should not be alone. We welcome all the players and all the players joining in. We believe that 5G future will come to us even much faster. Now let's go back to our product. Let's have a quick recap. Realme X50 Pro not only is a trendsetter for the future, but is also an ultimate flagship. Even if we keep 5G aside, it offers one of the best performance, design, and quality. And because of our strong research and development, because of that, we are now a full-fledged brand who can manufacture all range of products from an entry-level smartphones to the most advanced 5G flagship here in India itself. Let's have a quick recap of the product before moving on. Having the most powerful processor in India right now with Snapdragon 865, along with the first ever LPDDR5 RAM and Wi-Fi 6 in India. It has a 90 Hz Super AMOLED screen with the fastest 65 watt super dart charging with 4200 mAh battery, the best battery experience you can have right now. 6 cameras, including the 64 megapixel quad camera setup and also a dual in-display wide-angle lens. All this groundbreaking highlights with an amazing color, and 5G is like a cherry on the top. Realme X50 Pro is another ultimate flagship made by us for everyone who wants to experience the most advanced technology at the earliest, for all the tech enthusiasts. So how are we going to price it? Let's price it right away. What do you say, guys? All right, so let's price the futuristic flagship. Let's cut the chase. It will be available in 3 different variants. One is 12 GB plus 256 GB, 8 GB plus 128 GB, and 6 GB plus 128 GB. So I'll start with the highest variant first, rather than starting with the lowest one. The price for 12 GB, 256 GB would be priced at 44,999 rupees. There's more excitement coming forward. The price for 8 GB, 128 GB would be priced at 39,999 rupees. Price for 6 GB, 128 GB would be priced at 37,999 rupees. All 5G variants. Please mark it out. They're all 5G variants and also can be used as a dual band 4G and 5G together. So now what is the next question? When can you buy this first 5G flagship of India? So guys, you guys do not need to wait. The first sale will start from today itself at 6 PM on Flipkart and Realme.com. The future starts today, guys. So thank you guys once again for coming over here to be the part of for the first ever 5G smartphone launch in India. You guys are going to create an history along with us. We look forward to your feedback on this device. And before we call it a day, like always, we have one small thing left. But what's next? Please mark your date, as on March 5th, Realme will be witnessing something very big along with 1,500 fans. So guys, see you soon. Thank you very much once again.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us today. I would now invite all our media friends to proceed towards the